Okay, so we're in Ganges. It's Valentine's Day, and we have a little bit of a rally going on here. And what is this rally all about? Look at that. We got them on this side of the street. This is something to do with the firefighters. Wendy and I were just at Beachside having a coffee. Like and subscribe to these videos. That's great. Awesome. This is good. This is against the mandates for the firefighters. They want them all to get jabbed. That's a girl that loves Jesus, which is a good thing. And they want these firefighters to get jabbed or they're going to lose their job, which is completely wrong. Hey, Rainier, how you doing, buddy? I want one of those papers. Was this the, this is the pandemic paper, right? I want one of those. Well, there's a few people out here anyway.
Yeah, there is, bro.
Good.
Yeah,
Interview Justin Trudeau's half brother. I call him Justin Castro. That's, oh, I saw him on a YouTube thing, right? So we got a few people. This is good. Good Valentine's Day. Got a heart over there. Everybody's peaceful, right? That's awesome. There's people honking horn.
Yeah. Saturday was a little bit fewer.
Was there people out here? Oh, you mean oh, was there people out here this Saturday?
I think it was Saturday.
Oh, their big rally thing that came by.
It was small.
Yeah.
It was, you know what, it don't matter.
No, just people showing their support. Well, apparently Justin Castro wants to bring in the Emergency Act now or something like that. Oh, that guy's a tool. Oh, please.
War Measures Act.
Yeah, I know.
War Measures Act.
Yeah, whatever, right? That's not going to affect us, bro. Hey.
I don't like what you're doing. I'm opposed to the War Measures.
Well, you know what it means? You're not allowed to do this. You can actually go to jail for protesting. That's what it is. So, but that ain't going to affect us, buddy. Like you and I, we don't buy into the bullshit. I don't buy into the bullshit, man. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And stand up for freedom. This is a peaceful freedom rally here on Salt Spring Island. That's a good thing. It's beautiful. And there's a heart. There's a lady with a nice heart. Thank you. Oh, that's cool. I gotta get a picture of this.